These tools are designed to empower users across different fields, ranging from speech to text, music composition, business automation, chatbots, website optimization, writing, and much more. Let's dive deep into the fascinating world of AI and explore how these tools are reshaping the way we work. AI video tools. Dectopus. Experience the future of presentations with Dectopus AI, an all-in-one presentation software powered by advanced artificial intelligence technology. This tool enhances the creation of visually appealing and interactive presentations. Beautiful AI. Say goodbye to manual formatting as Beautiful AI applies the rules of great design in real time. With this tool, adding content to your slides becomes a magical experience as it automatically adapts text and images without resizing. Pick 3 AI convert long-form content, such as blogs and webinars, into short social video posts effortlessly. This tool breathes new life into your existing content, making it more engaging and shareable. Synthesia. Create AI videos simply by typing in text. This tool generates engaging videos for e-learning, customer onboarding, and more without the need for actors, cameras, or audio equipment. Unscreen. Bid farewell to the green screen with Unscreen's AI technology. Now, producing background-free videos is hassle-free, eliminating the need for complex techniques like chroma keying. Descript. Descript is a user-friendly video editor powered by AI features, making content creation a breeze for YouTube and TikTok channels. AI copywriting tools. Quinvio AI simplify video presentations with AI-powered assistance. Outline your ideas, review AI suggestions, and choose your presenter style, making video presentations a breeze. TLDR. Transform lengthy text into concise and impactful bullet points with this AI-powered web app, utilizing natural language processing, NLP, to summarize content effectively. Shortly, AI continues writing stories and generates creative plots using artificial intelligence, providing an endless source of inspiration for writers. Copy AI empowering businesses and individuals. This AI-powered platform transforms content creation by generating persuasive copy for driving conversions. Ink AI, an all-in-one AI content suite that offers writing assistance, images, SEO, keyword research, and more, streamlining content creation and optimization. AI design tools. Buzzy. Convert your ideas into high-quality Figma designs and working web or mobile apps within minutes with Buzzy's no-code platform, powered by AI. Illustroke. Easily create stunning SVG illustrations from simple text prompts with this user-friendly AI tool, revolutionizing graphic design. Imagen AI, a revolutionary photo editing tool, replacing Lightroom presets and offering advanced AI-powered photo enhancement capabilities. Look at AI create a logo, build a website, and establish a brand identity using the power of artificial intelligence with Look at AI's versatile AI tools. Blend. Unleash your creativity with Blend's AI platform, offering everything you need to generate stunning visuals for your products in seconds. AI SEO and business tools. SEMrush. The all-in-one SEO tool suite provides online visibility and marketing insights, including competitor analysis, keyword research, and more. Rank Math. A WordPress SEO plugin offering complete control over on-page SEO, improving website rankings with smart link suggestions and detailed reporting. Firefly's AI Record, Transcribe, and search calls to facilitate easy meeting minutes and action item creation, streamlining business processes. MEM, Fast Information Capture, Action, and Sharing Platform, featuring a collaborative graph database for seamless team collaboration. Weight Room AI enhance focus, accountability, and productivity with this video meeting solution designed to optimize business workflows. Music tools. Jukebox. Enter the world of AI-generated music and singing with Jukebox. This neural network can produce music in various genres and even mimic the styles of famous artists, giving creators a new realm of possibilities. Supertone AI, this audio tech startup, focuses on expressive singing, speech synthesis, and speech enhancement. With Supertone AI content, creators can add emotion and depth to their audio projects like never before. Business and meeting tools. Otter, the web application for speech-to-text transcription, trained with machine learning, helps users take notes, generate insights, and identify trends in meetings and interviews, enabling data-driven decision-making. Hints AI simplify customer relationship management, prioritize projects, and monitor progress with Hints AI. This AI assistant aids businesses in managing tasks efficiently and optimizing project workflows. Wand AI solve complex business problems without writing a single line of code with Wand AI. This no-code development platform enables users to build AI solutions tailored to their unique requirements. Website tools. Durable AI effortlessly create websites with Durable AI's AI-powered website builder. Rapid site generation allows users to bring their ideas to life quickly and efficiently. Domain Wheel AI, finding the perfect domain name is made simple with Domain Wheel AI. Powered by artificial intelligence, this tool suggests domain names based on keywords, streamlining the process of creating a memorable online presence. Search tools. Como AI, offering a search engine with generative AI capabilities. Como AI provides private and fast search experiences to users, ensuring quick access to relevant information. Glean AI, empowered by deep learning. Glean AI utilizes vector search technology to understand semantic relationships and deliver improved search relevance, making it a powerful tool for information retrieval. Thank you for joining us on this exciting AI journey. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more cutting-edge content.